The mayor of Georgetown, Pandit Ubraj Narain, is urging citizens to be mindful and to follow the guidelines set out by the Ministry of Public Health as it relates to the burial of their loved ones. The Laripan Tier Cemetery is the city's most used burial site and remains under the purview of the Mayor and City Council of Georgetown. However, Mayor Narain explained that City Hall only has the authority to issue burial plots.
There is an order gazetted and protocols where the citizen ought to follow. Funeral homes are mentioned. Amount of persons for a funeral are mentioned. So there is no way that we can act out of line from the gazetted order. I believe that every Guyanese, every citizen should follow the gazetted order.
The COVID-19 emergency measures issued by the Public Health Ministry dictates that no more than 10 mourners, one officiate, and the funeral director and staff shall attend a funeral. Further, the mayor called on the police force to ensure that citizens follow the guidelines.
I call upon the National Police Force to enforce that because there is a national order. I am working as the mayor of the national capital city closely with central government, or which I will say the COVID task force. Whatever that task force issue, the mayor and city council will follow, because this disaster here, or pandemic, it is a national issue.
The COVID-19 emergency measures have restricted all social gatherings of more than 5 persons at one time, as well as seeing the temporary closure of entertainment hubs across the country. It was during a virtual media conference at the weekend that Prime Minister and Chairman of the National COVID-19 Task Force, Moses Nagamutu, explained that while several policing districts were able to see 100% compliance with the curfew, others were defiant. The Prime Minister reiterated his calls for Guyanese to continue the social distancing guidelines across the country. For the HGP Nightly News, Calvin Abrams.